A former IPS officer and a veteran crime journalist have come up with a book inspired by real events, including the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks and several other LET operations. The book also dwells on the true stories of the courageous security forces personnel who risked their lives in the enemy nation conducting operations. Operation Trojan Horse by senior crime journalist Abhishek Sharan and former IPS officer DP Sinha has been published by HarperCollins. In 1996, a 16-year-old Lashkar-e-Taiba Fidaiin crossed over to India from Pakistan. When Officer Shekhar Singh of the counter-terrorism cell captured and interrogated him, he made a startling revelation. The terror group had begun sending men to settle down in India in the guise of regular civilians. On the sly, they are to serve as outposts for their missions and destroy the country from within. Singh and his bosses decided to take the fight to the enemy camp. 5 Indian intelligence agents were planted in the LET to take on its might and sabotage its operations. And thus, Operation Trojan Horse, a first-of-its-kind Indian counter-terror mission that went on for years, was born. Siddesh Inamdar, executive editor HarperCollins India said, "It is a remarkable, explosive book. Authors DP Sinha, who spent his career devising counter-terrorism strategies in the Intelligence Bureau, and senior crime journalist Abhishek Sharan have written the novel. It is an edge-of-your-seat thriller and gives an insight into India's fight against terror. Although a work of fiction, the book reveals a great deal about India's confident and proactive approach to fighting the enemy." Sinha spent most of his career in the Intelligence Bureau looking after counter-terrorist operations. After rising to the post of Special Director in the IB, he also served as Secretary in the Cabinet Secretariat. The idea behind this novel emerged from the multiple counter-terrorism operations in which I was involved. It is based on my professional experiences. The book is dedicated to the countless undercover agents who have sacrificed their all in the line of duty, said Sinha. Sharan has been reporting on terror attacks in India on Ground Zero for the past 20 years. He started his career at the Indian Express and later went on to work with the Hindustan Times, the Asian Age and most recently Mumbai Mirror, where he was a senior assistant editor. India's fight against terror has been depicted in the book. It follows police officer Shekhar Singh as he leads India's response to foil terrorist plans, added Sharan. News Desk, Kaumudi English.